Okay, another update on the development progress of Piradia, the trading card game. Currently, I have figured out how to get multiplayer to work. It doesn't work over the network, but it does work on the same machine, which will allow demonstrating the multiplayer possibilities. In order to run this, you need to have these executables and the support files, which will be zipped up. And you start out by selecting the master server executable. I'm just going to right click and run open. That's going to run it in a window. And once it gets established, I'll just minimize it. Then I'm going to come down here to the zone. Open. Same story. Wait for it to boot. And then minimize it. Finally, I'm going to go to the Piradia trading card game executable. Right click. Open. Once. This will be my first client. Wait for it to establish itself. I'm going to move it over here. I set these windows up earlier, obviously. Right click, again on the executable, open, and run another instance of it. Now, if you wanted to play this game against someone, what you could do is what I have done before in testing, and that is to actually put this on an external monitor and use the keyboard and mouse with that monitor and the touch screen on my laptop for the left instance, which would be on this screen. That way you can turn the monitor away from the person on the laptop and you can play each other without actually seeing each other's screen, which is how I would suggest that you test the one-on-one. Okay, first instance, I'm going to show you the sign-up screen, which I've already populated with my email address. Like so. And I gave myself a avatar name of Fixel. And then I entered a password. Sorry. Okay, and when I click sign up, you're going to see I've already, it doesn't like that. Oh, because I didn't give it a .NET. All right, it's going to tell me that this guy exists already. Yep. So I'm going to go out of sign up and go to login. And this is a little dark, this interface, so it's kind of hard to see, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. So Fixel and my password, which in this case, I just made Megapinkle my password. Log in. Okay, that one's in there. Now let's log this person in. You need a different email address. So instead of .net, it's .com. But you could have two people on the same computer. And I called this avatar Fixel P. Whoops. I've already signed that up, sorry. There we go. Log in. doesn't like that one. Oh, I know why. PHIXELLP. Because it was already signed up, it didn't need the email address, just the avatar name. Okay, I now have 2 trading card games going. I'm going to click play on this one and create a LAN game. It's waiting. Now I'll click on this one and I'll join the LAN game. And bada bing, I'm in. Okay, let's start playing. First of all, it's a good idea to get some energy, so I'm going to use my energy cards. And then I'm going to play these cards and end my turn. Now it's this guy's turn. He doesn't have any energy cards, so he's going to be a little bit hamstrung because he's now out of energy. He's going to have to wait until he gets some. This guy over here is lucky. He's got more energy cards. It's just random. And now I'm going to attack him because I've got my players out here. All right, yay. We got an energy card over here, so we're in business. Let's play some Molochs that are powerful and attack. If it doesn't light up at first, you can go to another one and then back to it, and it will accept it. All right. I'm just going to keep stocking up on energy. I'm not going to attack with this guy because you can see he's weak. I will use this one and smack him around, and I'll just end my turn. No sense sacrificing him for just a small benefit. Now we've got plenty of energy over here. Let's use it to deploy cards. I can't deploy cards without energy. And I'm going to take advantage of that weak person there. And let's go ahead and attack this guy. So this one's pretty weak. I'm not going to use him. I'll attack with this one and this one, and just end my turn. Keep banking my energy. As you can see, I've got 85 down here. And let's take advantage of the weakness of that card and that card. This guy's only got 52. Now he's got 58. Let's see here. See how it didn't highlight, but I can pick the other card and then go to it. Okay. It's looking like the player on the right is going to win this match. Might as well bank this energy because I can't do anything else. I can attack one card and then end my turn. Now over here, bank some energy so I can play these cards. And let's attack him. Okay. Now I can attack the player. Not looking good for this fellow. He's down to 5 health. At least getting some cards out there will mean that he's not going to be attacked directly. Looks like Let's get a couple more cards out here and really smack them around. And lots of qubits, so I can buy energy. I've got 103, but it's not going to help me because the massive cards against me are going to do some damage here. Oh, so look at this. Poor guy's only got 5, but look, he can win the game for me. And there you have it. A successful multiplayer game. And as I said, if you had an external monitor and used like a wireless mouse, you could play the game against each other without actually seeing each other's screen. So that's where we are right now. Now, in this case, I used the Molex, but I didn't use the event and equipment cards because I'm getting some bugs on those, and that will be something I'll need somebody to FAQ for me using this technique.